Good morning, everyone. Today, I'll be explaining on how the simple technical analysis should be done for the day, kind of it. This logic works perfectly for the internet. See here, in the screen, overall screen, all you're seeing is the candlestick type. I set it as Hikinashi, and I have a pivot point, which is either you can use the Camarilla pivot point, or you can use a Woody's pivot point, or a traditional pivot point. Apart from that, I have a RSI, which is a standard one. I don't have any extra settings. So what I do is by default, I'll take up the extended trend line and I draw the extended trend line for the last 3 to 4 days kind of a thing. I don't need to do anything extra beyond this kind of a thing. See, either you can draw it here or you can go ahead and adjust this value little bit here kind of a thing. Nothing wrong. All is fine kind of a thing. See, once you do this for 15 minutes, go to 5 minutes, recheck whether the values is adjusted or it's matching or it is touching the heels of the thing. Please remember one very important point. You don't need to draw the trend line for the today. It is extended from yesterday's data. That is a whole logic. If the stock start trading above the trend line, take a long. If they start trading below the trend line, then take it as a short. What are the targets of these stocks? All you can do need to do is go to the pivot point and enable the S1, R1, S2, R2, S3, R3, S4, R4, S5. See, this S1 and R1 I'll deselect it. Why? I'll tell you the reason. Generally, what happens is if, assuming if there is a breakdown or a breakup, things happens kind of a thing. In those scenario, the S1 would have achieved by default kind of a thing. That is why I'm keeping this one as a deselected kind of a thing. The targets are as usual. You can see that, see, R1 is something like this, R2 is this, R3 is this, sorry, missed it. R4 is this, R5 is this. Then similarly, S2, S3, S4. These are the things. See here, I have not considered Elliott wave, Hikinashi, or I have not considered a Fibonacci series kind of thing. All the numbers will and price action level all boils down to above these levels. Please, you may ask a question like, suppose if the stock opens below S5, such stock you can ignore it. See, such kind of a scenario, it will happen in 1 in hundreds of a day. It won't happen every day kind of a thing. So we need to look at the probability of successful cases wherein the trading can be achievable. Thank you.